So today's Leslie's little hint and tip is how to create an eyeliner out of an eyeshadow. Really simple. We've probably all got an eye palette or somewhat we don't even use. So all I want you to do is choose a darker colour. We're going to go for, you've probably got like a black or a brown or something in here. Grab yourself a little pot. This is actually the top of a perfume bottle. Fill it with water. And then we just need a really thin brush, like an eyeliner brush, or you can actually use an artist's brush as long as the hair's like a sable hair. This is one here I picked up from an art shop. So as long as the point is like a liner and it's really fine, that's absolutely fine. Dip your brush in the water. We're just going to brush off any excess. So your brush is nice and moist. Take your palette and literally just dip your brush in the palette and mix it a bit like paint. Now this gives a really gorgeous, I'm just going to show you on my hand here. This will give you a really lovely kind of liner. Can you see there? So you can make any colour up. It's really great, especially for your top line if you want to do a really fine eyeliner on the top. It's brilliant for this. But one of the things I love most about this is you can literally go for any colour on here. So I'm just going to show you with a different colour. Make sure you obviously wipe your brush nice and clean afterwards. Dip in. So let's go for like a purple here. We're going to use the purple. You sometimes find that you just need to kind of loosen the top to loosen a little bit of the shadow on the top first. So this is going to be almost like the purple version. So you can have any single colour what you like. So if you can see on there. You see how you create gorgeous coloured eyeliners without needing to buy anything. So you've probably all got loads of these eyeshadows in your cupboards. Have a clear out, have a play with them. Go and grab yourselves a paintbrush if you haven't already got one, a really nice fine artist brush, or invest in an eyeliner professional brush and a little bit of water. What more do you want? Thank you.